Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on SPY, IWM, and QQQ. So today for the tech sector was pretty much the exact same day as last Wednesday, with the difference being today we closed weaker and we closed with bearish momentum. So it was literally the same names that were dumping. It was the tech sector, the semiconductor sector. It was names that had been affected by cryptocurrency recently. So we had SPY gap up to an all-time high. We saw a sell the news reaction to the tax vote going through, a close at the low of the day. And now we're looking down at supports. Not a ton were established on Friday, but we do have levels of previous price action to be watching from Friday in terms of finding support. In my opinion, this tech sector pullback is not done. We're not seeing the bulls buy the dip like they used to, and I do believe that money is shifting out of the tech sector and going elsewhere, like the financial sector, which had a huge day today. But we have to be noting the shift in what is occurring, as it is different than what we've seen in all 2017. So SPY is still just fine, and that is due to the financial sector holding things up. If the financial sector was not as green today, it would have been a pretty bloody day for SPY. So we're still holding up just fine, still above the exponential moving averages. This weekly chart is all bull for SPY at this point. It's just healthy consolidation. IWM on the daily, also a new all-time high today, and also a very weak close and a pullback and close near the low of the day. So a very similar correlation, and same thing, we're looking at Friday's price levels. Have to zoom into the 5-minute time frame to see where support was established on the bounce back from Friday. Every time we formed a little base of support and then continued up, that's a support level to be watching as we head back down to start this week. Weekly time frame for IWM, same thing. The bulls are in full control. We can easily pull back multiple percent from here and still be all bulls. There is no red flag in terms of the long-term trend on SPY nor IWM. Checking in on QQQ, things are a little bit different. It is all bear. Close at the low of the day, 152.26, 151.78 are two short-term supports. Look at the volume. You can't ignore that volume. That is very significant. 2 of these days, it's all bear volume, and on Friday, there was a lot of bull volume mixed in there, but it's definitely a lot of shifting and a lot of selling going on. Weekly time frame, volume climax last week could mark the temporary top. If we break the low of 152.26, we will look to potentially lose these exponential moving average supports and see a significant shift on the weekly time frame. 151.78, 146.33 are the 2 weekly supports. Again, things are shifting. We're noticing changes in correlation, changes in patterns. We're not seeing the same vigorous buying of the dip like we have even on other previous dumps. Today was a very notable weak close for the tech sector, with bulls showing that they did not want to hold a position into tomorrow. We'll see if this leads to further downside tomorrow. We'll check back in then. See you soon.